Hi, I'm Dr. Coleen Hawthorne, the Vibrant C-Suite MD. I'm a concierge psychiatric medicine physician and the vibrant life success strategist, consultant, and confidant. I'm here to talk to you about my amazing colleague, Dr. Fred Jones. He is the amazing and only world's wordologist, as well as the book coach of Publish Me Now University. My colleague Dr. Jones is just amazing. He always over delivers. I mean, he's got top professionals contacting him who want to finally write their worth and get their story out. And they come to Dr. Fred Jones because they know they're going to get their book published right. And they're going to be able to use that book. Dr. Fred teaches them how to use that book to leverage their business and their life. Dr. Fred Jones, he's the person that you want helping you with writing and publishing your book right.